again from the beach, and welcome back to our channel, Vacationing in Ocean City. Today we'll be talking about some of our favorite events that go on in our little beach town. We know you're probably aware of most of these events, but we also hope we can introduce you to a few new ones. That way you'll have an extra excuse to put in that PTO, take another trip to Ocean City this year. If you haven't already, go ahead and click those like and subscribe buttons below. That way you can stay up to date on all things vacationing in Ocean City. We cover everything from great places to stay in town to how to be a great rental property owner. And if you're looking to buy at the beach, make sure you check out our sister channel, Selling Ocean City, to learn all there is to know about real estate here in Ocean City. We have 2 cruising weeks, one kicking off our season and one ending our busy season. First, Spring Cruising Week falls on May 16th through May 19th, and Fall Cruising Week takes place October 10th through the 13th. The Spring Cruising Week is truly the start of our busy season here at the beach. This event attracts some of the coolest hot rod style cars, and if you're a gearhead or really love looking at these amazing classic cars, this event is definitely for you. Endless Summer Cruising Week is the last big event in Ocean City, at least that we could think of. If you love Spring Cruising Week, make your last trip to Ocean City for Endless Summer Cruising Week now. It's a great way to tie you over till the next summer. Our third event is a big one, Memorial Day Weekend, or MDW for short. This year, the long MDW weekend starts on Friday the 24th, and the celebration keeps up on Memorial Day, May 27th. This holiday weekend in OC is when family vacations really start to pick up. For us locals, this weekend brings great energy. It's one of the first weekends of the summer that the town really starts to buzz, and it gets that special feel. We love it, and we think you will too. Our fourth event, not sure if you guessed it, 4th of July. Of course, we all know about July 4th and how crazy the beaches can get for that week or weekend. So while it might be a bit crowded, we're gonna tell you if you're looking for the best July 4th you've ever had, take the trip to Ocean City. You can deck yourself out in an American flag bathing suit, hit the beach, relax all day, or go watch the fireworks at night. July 4th in Ocean City is truly one of the best parties of the year, and it's a great time. If you haven't enjoyed it already, we highly recommend you do. Come to the beach, book that trip. Event number 5 is White Marlin Open from August 5th through the 9th. This is one of my favorite events of the summer, maybe because I have fond memories of it, but the White Marlin Open is one of the biggest fishing tournaments in the world. And when I was a little girl, my brother and I would go up to the weigh-in scale with our uncle who worked the event, and we'd get up close to see the big fish that they brought in that day. So this whole week, the town is buzzing. Fishers from all over the country come to Ocean City to fish for a few days, and the winner, they take home a really healthy paycheck. So if you love to fish, you can come head down to the inlet, watch the boats come in, and weigh their day's catch. Every day of the White Marlin Open, downtown Ocean City is filled with great people, great drinks, and it's just a great environment, lots to do. Even if you're not fishing in the tournament, it's just a great time to be in Ocean City in general, so book that trip. Event 6 is Air Show, August 24th and 25th this year, so a little different than last. This event is perfect for families. Your little ones will be clapping up, looking into the sky, playing with their cool shades on, watching these remarkable planes fly overhead. It really is super cool, and there's something about watching some of those high-tech planes in the world fly right over your head. So pay attention. A bit of a locals tip here, you want to get to the beach early if you want to watch the air show, or better yet, rent a property that has a rooftop pool. It's the best way to watch the air show, I promise. Event 7, Labor Day weekend, August 30th through September 2nd. Labor Day weekend, the summer's starting to come to an end, and Ocean City is soon to be quieting down, but not just yet. It's a great time to take a trip to Ocean City for one last hurrah before the kids have to go back to school. It's a celebration of the awesome summer we just had, and the town will be jumping all weekend with people getting that one last beach weekend with great weather. Take a trip to Ocean City for Labor Day weekend, wave the summer goodbye. Event 8, Bike Week, September 11th through 15th this year, and it's one of the great off-season events in Ocean City. It's one of the first major off-season events in Ocean City. If you're a motorcycle lover and appreciate some awesome American engineering by Harley-Davidson, this is the week for you. Coastal Highway is filled with some really cool motorcycles, and we could go on, but if you're a biker, pick up your phone, book your vacation to Ocean City for Bike Week. You won't regret it. Now on to 2 events that have us Ocean City locals super excited. The Oceans Calling and Country Calling music festivals. Oceans Calling is September 27th through 29th, and Country's Calling is October 4th through 5th. So Oceans Calling's been going on for a couple years now, and it's yet to disappoint. If you were born in the 80s or the 90s, Oceans Calling is sure to take you down memory lane. With headliners such as Blink-182, The Killers, and Dave Matthews Band, the lineup's awesome. That's without even mentioning some of the other amazing bands that will be in town: Cage the Elephant, Sublime, OAR, and many more awesome bands. Last year, there was someone from every state in the US at Oceans Calling, which we think is pretty cool. Someone from Alaska even came last year, so who would have thought? Country's Calling is brand new this year, and we're really excited about it. The lineup for this festival is amazing too. The headliners include Jelly Roll, who seems to have won every music award you can win recently, Eric Church, Tyler Childers, and Lainey Wilson. If you're a country music fan, don't miss this. Well, that's all the events we could think of. Thanks for watching today's episode of Vacationing in Ocean City. We hope you enjoyed hearing about most of the major events in OC, and we hope to see you at some of the beach events as well. If you're ready to book for one of these awesome events, head on over to our website, centraloc.com, or give us a call with the phone number below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons below. We'll see you at the beach.